Hello again. So today I'm going to be doing some zooming tests with the Action 4 and the Pocket 3, which I'm filming on now. We're going to start with the Action 4. I'm just going to show you how to find the zooming function on the Action 4, and then I'll also show you on the Pocket 3. Just behind the camera here there's a long stream, so I'm going to be zooming in and out of that slowly, just to show you exactly how useful or useless the zoom is on the Action 4. It's not too bad on the Pocket 3, but I'm just going to show you. Here we go. Right now we've got the camera set up. I'm just going to show you how to use the zooming function on the Action 4 first of all. So to activate the zooming function on the Action 4, you just go into filming mode, with the video there, and bottom right hand corner you'll see a ×1 icon. Just keep your finger on that. The scroll wheel appears, and you can zoom in. We're going to start off in 1080-30 just to show you the differences there, and you'll only be able to zoom into 2 times no matter what resolution you use. As you can see from the footage, so now we're in 1080-30 on the Action 4, and I'm slowly zooming in and out on the scroll wheel, but as you can see it's very steppy. So that's the zooming function in 1080-30. Just going to tap the resolution at the bottom there. We're going to switch to 2.7K, 30 frames. Again, you can only get to 2 times. And no matter how smooth you are with the scroll wheel, it's going to be jumpy. And now we'll switch over to 4K 30. Again, just hold the bottom right. Just scrolling as smoothly as possible there, but you will always get the steps. This should be the best out of the 3 resolutions as it's 4K. So I'll let you decide there which resolution is the best for zooming. In my opinion, zooming on the Action 4 is a no-no. As you can see, it's very steppy in the footage, plus it's a digital zoom, so it's cropping in on the 1/1.3 sensor, which is not really great. And now we're going to switch over to the Pocket 3 on the zooming function, and I should imagine that's a lot better, smoother zoom, as it's a 1-inch sensor, and plus it's not a scroll wheel, it's a joystick, and it's very smooth in and out. There'll be no steps on this. So again, I'll let you decide. Here we go. So now we're going to start zooming in on the Pocket 3, and to access the zooming feature there's an icon on the right. You just tap this and then it'll take you to the zooming mode. If you don't tap it, it's just a tilt mode. So now we'll start zooming in 1080-30, and on the Pocket 3 you're going to get 4 times digital. So to start zooming on the Pocket 3, you'll find a joystick here next to the power button. All you do is push up slightly, and then to reverse it, the opposite way. We're going to start zooming at 1080-30, but on the Pocket 3 it differs slightly from the Action 4, as you're going to get a 4 times digital zoom. So let's start zooming on this one. Here we go. It gets a bit grainy after 2 times on the 1080. Again, I wouldn't really use that. And now we're switched over to 2.7K 30 frames per second on the Pocket 3. Now this one differs slightly from 1080, as on the 2.7K you can zoom in 3 times. So spin the camera around and let's see the quality of that. Here we go. Again, when you get to about 3 times it becomes unusable. Again, I'll let you be the judge for yourself. Now we're going to switch over to 4K 30, and we'll be able to zoom in 2 times on this one and see what you think to that. Here we go. And then all the way back. So that's just a short video today covering the zooming functions on the Action 4 and the Pocket 3, which I'm filming on. In my personal opinion, I would never use the zooming function on this, as it's a smaller sensor than the Pocket 3. The Pocket 3's got the 1-inch sensor, and this has got the 1/1.3 sensor. Plus it's a digital zoom, and that applies to the Pocket 3 as well. but in my opinion you can get away with the 4K 30 on the Pocket 3 digitally zooming. It's only 2 times, but because it's got the larger sensor, it's not too bad. If anybody out there who wants to get closer into the footage, I'd just scrap the zooms completely, film in 4K and then crop in post. So just to recap, on the Action 4 you'll only get 2 times digital zoom no matter what resolution you're in, and on the Pocket 3 it differs slightly. At 1080 you'll get 4 times digital, at 2.7K you'll get 3 times digital, and then at 4K you'll just get 2 times digital. Can't say that word, digital. Digital. 4 times digital. Digital. Dr. Doolittle. Who knows? 4 times digital. Digital. It's like I'm learning English for the first time. Digital. 4 times digital zoom. What was that? 4 times digital zoom. There you go. So that wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed that zooming video on the Pocket 3 versus the Action 4. So I'll let you decide if you think the zooming functions on both cameras is usable for whatever you're filming. Like I said, my personal preference will be on the Pocket 3 4K 30 at 2 times. Although if you just want to really punch in on that, just film at 4K and then crop in on post. So as always, be sure to stay tuned to this channel, as I'll be posting plenty more tech tutorials in the near future. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.